My dear students, I hope you all are fine and safe in this global pandemic. I'm not here to talk to you today about the global pandemic, but the consequences of it, which you have shared with me through your emails. And one thing which I have realized and already realized because we are going through that is that there's so much negativity and depression around us. I want to make all of you realize one thing, that you are very, very creative individuals. You are sharing with me your creative ideas, not over here, but generally as well. So please remain creative during this time. And the purpose of this tutorial is actually to make you realize that you are creative people. So use your creativity in this time. Whenever we talk about artist, designer, or any such field, or creative writers for that matter, or filmmakers, or anything like, the first thing the people say is that that person is very creative, and that is actually associated with you, because you are the future, and you are the future of this country, and you are the future globally as well. So using your creativity, which you already are, because you have sung for me, you have entertained me with your cooking, you have entertained me with your story, which actually tell me that there are singers in my class, there are bakers in my class, there are cook in my class, there are makeup artists in my class, and that makes you people highly beautiful and creative. So please be trendsetter at this moment in the world, and by using your creativity, change the negativity, change the depressing state, turning into a positive state. Don't let the negativity affect you, because if you will let it do that, it will keep on affecting you. So it is up to you that how you address that negativity. You have shared that with me, so I am here again um, to tell you that you are the ones who are to come up with creative solution. The world is looking out at you because they consider you as creative individual. So kindly use your creativity, not only for the assignment, just because for yourself, for your sanity, to make your assignments not only but your general life a more positive experience during this pandemic. And I totally believe in you. Because I have seen all of you in my studio, and you telling me that, sir, can we please go to cafeteria? Can we please go to outside with that, because there we can think better. Can we go to library? Can we go to fountain or any place in the at the campus? So it means that those places speak to you and your creativity, and you come up with better ideas. I'm sure you have such places at your homes too. Think about those places, look for those places, go and sit there. And there are 168 hours in a week, and my contact hours with you is 20, according to the timetable. So can't you give me just those 20 hours back from home? Because I believe that you are taking e-learning as a burden on you. You are taking e-learning not as a challenge. But in the given circumstances, being creative people, I would again urge that please be trendsetters, because people look at you as innovative people. They look at you that, okay, if somebody is an artist, that he or she is creative. So show them that you are creative. Show me that you are creative. Show yourself first that you are creative. Because I believe in you. You are highly creative, and that you know that. So I just made this video to make you realize that once you entered this field, you were already creative. Through these studies, you are just enhancing more your creativity. So just not just this negativity not affect you. Stay safe. Take precautionary measures. In given circumstances, using your creativity, create beautiful works. See what is your creativity trying to tell you, how it is speaking to you, and try to stay away what affects you and what makes you depressed, because you are highly capable people of identifying that what is affecting you. If you think certain posts, certain things are affecting you, don't watch it. Watch that makes you feel better. Post something which makes you feel better for the rest of the world too. Try to make a difference, but creatively, because you are creative individuals. And hence that I'm here to tell you and make you realize, because I believe that you're forgetting this in this scenario, that the world out there look creative people to come out with creative solutions. So please take that time out for me, for yourself, because e-learning is not for me. E-learning is for us, for we. It's not me. It's not you. It's we. Let's make a positive difference. Let's make a positive change in this global pandemic. And hence, if needed, I'll be back here. Looking forward to your emails with great ideas which you are already sharing with me. If you have any further queries, if you have any further issues, I know that there are issues going on with stationery there, with not use of the material, but then that is the challenge, that how you use the given resources in the best possible way. I already told you that use um, technology, which actually means going to the sites which offering you books and resource materials, and using those, come up with your creative design solutions. Not for me again, for the society, because we hold a certain responsibility as a designer and artist to make a positive difference. So let's do that. Thank you. And please, yes, remember to take precautionary measures. Thank you once again.